Hey, I'm at Bryce Canyon National Park today. I'm here with Haley and Zoe, and we're here at Sunrise Point, and we're going to be hiking Queen's Garden Navajo Loop trail today. It's going to be really cool because it's going to go down a ways into the canyon. We're going to be able to see lots of hoodoos and cool rock features, so we're really excited. It's going to be awesome. Alright, so this is a pretty good view of where we're hiking today. We're going to be going down here and looping around. We'll be coming up over that way. Making it down pretty far. We're making good progress. This is super cool so far though. These hoodoos are amazing, and the views are just like really good. Alright, Zoe got tired, so she is in the backpack for now, and we're going down still. Bottom of Queen's Garden now, and this hoodoo here in front of me is named after Queen Victoria. Check this out. So there's our hoodoo that looks like Queen Victoria right on top. Alright, check out these cool bridges. Just right in the rock. That's really cool. This is awesome. Alright, we just came all the way up all of these switchbacks from down in there. Made it back to the car. Haley's strapping Zoe in, and that was an awesome hike. Tons of really cool rock features and lots of cool views. It was really fun, really cool to see all the different formations. So